I guess you are watching this video because your computer is having an issue here. As you trying to open a program you have recently installed, this error arrived. The program can't start because msvcr120d.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling. It's a very common issue and I'll be fixing this with just 3 small steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be solving this. So, let's begin. The very first step is to download the DLL file from an external source. To download, go to Google and search for msvcr120d.dll. You can choose any results. I'm choosing the first one. It's not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. You can see few download options based on the architecture. To know your architecture, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see mine is 64-bit. So I'll be downloading the first one. If the download completes, hit open. There is the missing DLL. Now we'll place the DLL. First open this PC, local disk C, Windows. Now find a folder named System32. Now drag the DLL and drop. I've already done this, so they are asking me to replace. And hit continue. Let's check this. By typing this in the search bar, we can see the DLL is present in the folder. For 64-bit users, you need to do a little more. Need to open this PC again. Local disk C, Windows, and this time find a folder name SYSWOW64. Once again, drag and drop. Check this one more time. Now you can see the DLL file. Finally, restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if the error occurs, you need to download Microsoft Visual C++ and install your program again. And that will surely do it. And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.